Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, back in the kitchen again. Guys, I'm here today making some jerk shrimp pasta. Guys, this is so tasty, so juicy, full of flavor. Guys, come along and just enjoy. Let's make some. So guys, this is my shrimp, and what I'm gonna do now, just gonna add my jerk seasoning, and this is mild. Just gonna add 1 teaspoon. Gonna just put it all over my shrimp. What I'm gonna add next, I'm gonna add some jerk seasoning. I'm gonna add some black pepper. Then I'm gonna add my seasoning, which is my lawry seasoned salt. Just gonna add some. Then I'm going to just combine all of these ingredients. Well seasoned. So let's pour some oil. I'm using olive oil, not gonna put a lot in there. My pot is hot. I'm just gonna put in my shrimp. I'm gonna let them fry for 2 to 3 minutes. You know, shrimp doesn't take long to cook. As soon as them start change color, just gonna turn them over. Guys, what I'm going to do now is to turn over. So guys, my shrimp is all done. Just going to take them out. And you want to have your stove on low heat. So this is my shrimp all done. So what I'm gonna do next, guys, just gonna use the same pot, not gonna add any oil or anything. Just gonna add my scallion and my bell peppers. Gonna add my thyme and my garlic. Let this saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so what I'm gonna add now is my heavy cream. Seasoning in this sauce. Just gonna add a little more all-purpose seasoning. I had some ginger, garlic, and pimento. And I had a little bit more jerk seasoning. Then I'm gonna add some paprika. You guys, I just leave it for a minute or two, and I just leave it for it to just start to bubble and the simmer down. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna add my cheese. I'm just gonna add some regular cheddar cheese. If you're a cheese lover, you can definitely add more cheese. I'm gonna add now to my sauce is my pasta. I'm gonna combine this together. Look at this, guys. Loving it. So what I'm gonna add next is my shrimp. Not gonna add all of it. I'm just gonna pour the juice. And this is how it looks, guys. I'm just gonna leave it for a minute or two. I just add some parsley to it. Okay, guys. So this is my jerk shrimp Rasta pasta. Okay, guys. Ooh, I'm loving it, guys. Look at this. Look at. Guys, enjoy and subscribe and share and comment. Guys, I'm on the road to 5K. Big up on yourself, guys, and thank you so much for watching. God bless.